Hey there, everyone. Thank you so much for checking out of my profile. My name is Mehedi Hasan. It's great to meet you. I have over 6 years of experience in fashion industry. My skills included flat sketching, take back creation, fashion graphics, 3D clothing design, sample development, and handling order from start to finish. I have worked with clothing brand, apparel manufacturer, buying house, boutique, and fashion shop. I understand how to create a seasonal collection based on customer demands and current trends. My strong background in fashion designing, sample development, order management, and sourcing help me deliver real result. Honestly, I am always busy with my passion and profession. Fashion is what I love. Now I'm here on Upwork to share my talent, bring innovation, and express my creativity through your project. I truly what I do take pride in making my client happy. When you work with me, your project will be delivered on time. It will be done right the first time, and most importantly, your satisfaction is my top priority. So I hope work with you soon. Let's create something amazing together. Thank you.